Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-Alaq. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. Hamza is sharp, focus, give E sound attached with Qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqalah and Qaf will be heavy. Iqa. It will get qalqalah. Iqa. Ra. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with Hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda. There will be no flow of sound whatsoever. Ra. Bis for kasra, give E sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. Safir means it has the whistle sound. Bismi for kasra, give E sound. Ra. Ra is heavy for the open jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda, and shidda if is no flow of sound. Rabbi for kasra, give E sound. Kal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Kha. Kha is heavy. So lift your tongue up to make kha heavy. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Laqa. For fatha upon jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala and qaf will be heavy. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. خلق الإنسان من علق. Kha is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Lam is light for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Qal. Qaf is heavy. Attached with lam. As you will touch lam, the sound should be light. Qal. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight. You are going towards the makhraj of noon, and you are going towards the makhraj of seen, because seen is the next letter, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Sa. 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaw. Min for kasra, give E sound attached with na. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat. Laq for fatha upon jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala and it is heavy, because you are giving waqf because of the waqf. You are giving sukoon because of the waqf. Iqara. Hamza is very sharp for kasra. Give E sound attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala. Ra. Ra is heavy attached with Hamza. Hamza will get very sharp sound. There is no flow of sound. Ra. Wa. Makhraj of waw circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws. Rab. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda, and shidda means no flow of sound. Bu for the ma circular lips. The sound is short. Kal. Kaf is light for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ak. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws, and kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Ak. Ram. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut because it has sukoon now. Ram. اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Al. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Bil for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qa. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Lam for fatha upon jaws attached with mim. We will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound because you are giving waqf here, sukoon here. الذي علم بالقلم. Al. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ikhfa. Light ikhfa. So keep your tongue straight. Sa. 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Ma. 2 counts long. Lam for fatha upon jaws attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ya is light for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and it should be from your throat. Lam for fatha open jaws attached with mim, we will get sifa of tawassut. علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا Kaf is light for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, then it is 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jais. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra ke bhi sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna.